So now that I'm in the cab, I'm gonna go ahead and start the truck. Turn the key one click, let it cycle. You'll hear a bunch of clicks. If you don't let it cycle, the truck won't start properly. So once it's gone through all its cycles, I'll fire it up. I'm checking my air suspension gauges right now. Coolant, DEF and fuel, and oil pressure. If you start the truck and that oil pressure gauge does not instantly come up, shut it back off. That must jump instantaneous. Now that I've got it started and I've built full air pressure, I'm going to go ahead and shut the truck back off. Turn the key on one click because I need my gauges to function for this. And what I'm doing is I'm observing my two air pressure gauges. This is the air loss test without brakes applied. So I'm watching my two air gauges and I'm looking at my watch. I want to give it 3 minutes. I can lose no more than 5 pounds in a 3-minute time frame. Once 3 minutes have passed, if I have not lost air, now I'm going to do the air loss test with brakes applied. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my foot on the brake pedal, depress it all the way to the floor. I'm going to wait for my needles to settle out, as they have. Check my time. Now I'm going to do another 3 minutes holding that to the floor. Once again, cannot lose no more than 5 pounds in a 3-minute time window. Have not lost it. So now, I release my brakes. Now what I want to do is ensure that I'm on a level surface. So I'm going to release my tractor brakes now. If you are on an uneven surface, you want to chalk your wheels. So I will let my foot off the brake slowly. The truck is not rolling or moving. So now I can proceed with my pump down. What I want to do is I want to just pump my brake pedal until I get down around 60 PSI and my warning system should come on, which should be an indicator ding or buzzer as well as an indicator light. So both lights came on. I've got a message across my dash saying primary system low. Now I can continue to pump down. And I'm looking for these two valves to pop. That's the tractor protection system. And success. So the system is functioning as it is designed. Now I can go. Yep. So now at this point, I can fire my truck up. So now while I'm waiting for my truck to build air, I'm going to check my climate control. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it to defrost, turn the fan to high, reach up here, ensure that I can feel air movement to ensure that my fan is working properly. Turn it to the floor, reach down here, ensure that I can feel airflow. Turn my hazards on and check my in-cab indicators that they are functioning properly. Check my windshield wipers. Check my windshield washer fluid. Come on. And there it goes. So that is functioning properly. So I'm letting the system build air. What I want to do, and this is building in the secondary first. Once it fills, it'll start building the primary. So now at this point, both of my needles have hit 100 PSI. So I'm going to check my watch. Now I have 3 minutes for it to build to the pop off. That is what will tell me that my compressor is functioning properly. So she's building, watching my time, and it's not going to take anywhere near 3 minutes, which it shouldn't, but that is what you are allowed. And there we are. Once you've checked this out, everything appears to be good to go. Now, release your trailer brakes. You can hear air passing through the valve. Once that is stopped, that will indicate that your trailer is aired up. Now I'm going to release my tractor brakes. I'm going to check my city horn. I'm going to check my air horn. I'm going to put the truck into drive. I'm going to slowly let my foot off the accelerator, and I'm looking in my mirrors. When the truck starts to roll, I want to ensure that all my wheels have started to turn. So looking in my mirror, and I can see all my tires rolling on that side. I look in this mirror, I can see all my wheels turning on that side. Now, I'm going to straighten out my steering wheel. I'm going to let off, without touching the steering wheel, I'm going to let off my accelerator. I'm going to slightly get moving, and then I'm going to hit the brakes hard to ensure that the wheel doesn't jerk to one side or the other.